We had a big windstorm that came through and made a big old mess. So all this, I'm trying to clean it up as best I can, but I'm gonna focus on this area today. I'm gonna work on this. Try to build like a raised garden bed right here. This is the supplies I bought to do the raised garden bed. I saw an idea on Pinterest, so I'm going to go ahead and try it. So I purchased these items from Home Depot. I'm going to build it over here. It was right at this point when my back said that was it. I have not been right for the last few days. I pushed it to the limit and it just said, no more. This is the part where Manny came out and tried to do it for me. And this is where he left off at. It still needs to be corrected because those boards need to be tight and that needs to be pushed down. The ground is not leveled. I should have leveled it first before I got hasty trying to put this thing down. Anyway, we're going to have to take it up when I'm better and fix it. If I don't do another video before Thanksgiving, I'm going to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving. And I'll see you on the next video, willingly.